This is the gripper that was printed out on my 3D printer. I'm in the process of redoing it. I got a lot of overhangs that fail, but for studying, where I may want to put cameras and sensors and that sort of thing on it, it came out fine. I gotta work on the overhangs here, print it at a different angle maybe. I need a thicker shell on it because it's got the shell is 0.5, which isn't 0.5 millimeters, which really isn't much of a shell for it. But first run, and like I said, it was for visuals anyway. I can actually now see what I was working with. None of the components on this one are movable. This down here where my hand is the air piston. It's going to push that forward. Based on my calculations, it's supposed to hold or give me 17 psi of hold pressure with this size piston on it. It's only one jaw that moves for better aiming and accuracy is what I'm going for. But all in all, I think it came out pretty good. Again, this is just a prototype for visual and study. All right.